It's time to start my day. I usually wake up at 6:30 in the morning. Sometimes it is difficult, but I try my best. Then I drink a glass of water. I'm doing meditation in 5 minutes. Helps to calm the mind and lower stress levels. The soft sunlight comes through the window. I blink my eyes and look at the bright light.
Good morning, sweetheart. Did you sleep well?
Morning, Mom. Yes, I slept like a baby.
That's great to hear. What you would like for breakfast? I'm craving some scrambled eggs and toast.
I am going to the bathroom, Mom.
Okay, sweetie. I will make your breakfast. I pick up my toothbrush and put toothpaste on it. I brush my teeth slowly in front of the mirror. I spit out the foam and rinse my mouth with fresh water. Brushing my teeth makes me refreshed. I feel my mouth clean and fresh. I wipe my face with a soft towel. Now I feel awake and ready for the breakfast. I walk into the kitchen. The smell of food makes me feel hungry. I sat down at the dining table. My mother placed a plate in front of me. Today I have bread, eggs, and a glass of milk. I take a small bite of bread. It tastes warm and soft. Thanks so much, Mom. You're welcome, sweetheart. Enjoy your meal.
Enjoy, Mom. Let's dig in. How's your toast? Is it crisp enough?
Yes, Mom. It's perfect, just the way I like it. I'm glad you're enjoying your breakfast. I always enjoy your cooking, Mom.
That's sweet of you to say.
It's the truth, Mom. You're an amazing cook. Thank you, sweetheart. It means a lot to me.
You deserve all the compliments, Mom.
Let's finish the meal, Mom. I will go to college.
Yes, sweetie, hurry up.
I come to my room after breakfast. I open my cupboard and look at my clothes and choose a neat dress for college. I put on my clothes quickly. I stand in front of the mirror and comb my hair slowly. I put a little cream on my face. I wear my shoes and tie the laces. I picked up my bag from the table. And now I'm ready for college. I step out of my house with my bag on my shoulder. The morning air feels fresh and cool. I walk down the street toward the bus stop. Other students and office workers are waiting there. Excuse me, is this the bus stop?
Yes, it is. Is it your first time taking the bus?
Yes, I usually drive everywhere.
Which bus are you waiting for?
I'm not actually sure. I've been waiting here for half an hour. I'm trying to get downtown. Did I miss the bus?
Yes. Actually, not any bus right now downtown. You can take a taxi.
Hey, stop. Can I get taxi, please?
Good morning. Where are you heading today?
Please take me to City College downtown.
Sure, please get in.
Thank you so much. Obrigado.
No problem at all. That's my job.
How long will it take? Hey.
About 20 minutes. Is there much traffic today?
Yes, a little traffic on the main road. Can you go by the shorter way?
Yes, I know a shortcut.
That's good, I don't want to be late.
Don't worry, I'll be fast but safe. Nice air conditioning.
That's fine, but it's very hot today. Oh. How long have you been a taxi driver?
Almost 10 years.
Wow, that's a long time.
Yes, I meet many people every day.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I like my job and talking to passengers.
That's nice. I also like meeting new people.
College must be fun then.
Yes, I enjoy my classes. I also like meeting new people.
What do you study?
I study computer science. I also like meeting new people.
Sounds interesting.
Yes, I want to be a software engineer.
That's a good goal.
Thank you. Oh, are we near college?
Yes, just 2 more minutes.
Thank you for the safe ride.
Yeah, you're welcome. Have a good day.
Thank you so much. I walk into the college building. The hallway is full of students talking and laughing. I push the door and step inside the classroom. Some students are already sitting at their desks. I find my seat and place my bag on the table.
The bell rings, and it is lunchtime. I walk out of the classroom with my friends.
The hallway is crowded with students talking and laughing. I enter the canteen and see many students already eating. The place is noisy but full of energy.
I look at the menu displayed on the wall. Today there is rice, curry, bread, and juice. I carry my tray carefully to an empty table.
I sit down with my friends. We start eating and chatting at the same time. After lunch, my friends go to attend class, and I walk toward the library. Inside, the library is calm and silent. I see rows of shelves filled with books. I choose a seat near the window and start reading. The last class of the day ends, and I walk down the stairs slowly. I am waiting for the bus. At the bus stop, the bus arrives, and I climb inside. I sit near the window and look at the busy afternoon streets. I walk along the familiar path toward my home. I reach the gate of my house and unlock the door. I come to my bedroom. The room is cozy and warm. I change my dress and sit down on my bedroom, then take off my shoes.
I close my eyes for a few minutes and take a deep breath and feel my body relax.
The quiet of the room makes me calm and think about the day I had at college. I rest my head on the pillow and let my mind relax and feel my energy slowly returning. After a short time, feeling fresh and ready to continue my evening. Mom, this tea tastes warm and sweet. Thank you, dear. I made it just the way you like. Perfect. After a long day, this feels so nice. I agree.
Tea time is our little family break. How was your day at college?
It was good, Mom. I had 2 classes.
What subject is today?
Today I studied English and computer science.
Did you understand the lessons?
Yes, but English grammar is still a little hard.
Don't worry, practice daily, Winna.
I will, Mom.
Did you meet your friends?
Yes, we sat in the canteen and talked.
That's nice. Did you eat lunch there?
Yes, I had rice and curry.
Good. Was it tasty?
Yes, it was fine.
Mom, how was your day?
Busy.
I cooked, cleaned, and went to the market.
What did you buy?
Fresh vegetables, some fruits, and your favorite biscuits. I love those biscuits with tea. I know that's why I got them. Thanks, Mom. You always make me feel better. That's what moms are for.
After finishing tea, I take my books and notebook from my bag. I turn on the desk lamp to make the area bright. I sit at my study table in my room and open my notebook and check the homework assignments. After some time, I complete my homework and close my books. I feel satisfied and proud of the work I have done. I walk to the kitchen room where my mom is making dinner.
The food is ready. Sit down, dear. Thank you, Mom. It smells so good. I made your favorite curry.
Really?
I'm so happy, Mom.
The food looks tasty, Mom. I added less oil, just the way you like it.
Thank you, Mom. You always remember my taste. Of course, I know what makes you smile.
This curry always reminds me of my childhood. Yes, you used to ask for it almost every Sunday.
And you always cooked it with so much love. Did you call your grandmother today?
Yes, I talked to her in the afternoon.
What did she say? She asked about you. She said she misses you.
Oh, I miss her too. We will visit her soon.
Yes, she will be very happy. After dinner, will you study or rest? I will study for 1 hour, then rest.
Good girl. Keep a balance.
Yes, Mom. After dinner, I sit on the sofa in the living room and pick up the TV remote and turn it on.
Sometimes I watch a series or a short movie. The sound from the TV fills the room.
Other times, I take my phone from the table and check messages from my friends and reply to them. I scroll through social media for a few minutes. Sometimes I watch short videos online. And laugh at funny videos and share them with my friends.
I look at the clock. It is 10:30 p.m. Now I'm going to turn off the TV and go to bed.
I come to my room. The room becomes calm and quiet. I pull the blanket over me and lie down on the bed, and I place my head on the soft pillow. I feel grateful for everything I did today, relaxed my body, and let go of all tension. I drift into sleep slowly, feeling safe and peaceful.
peaceful. Good night, everyone.